Pretzel.
Is that what he's eating?
Yeah. He likes the salt on them.
Hi, babies. Hi, baby Pinky.
5 years. He should be 5 years old this year.
It's 4.
Is it?
Yeah, I think.
Yeah.
A little while ago we were talking about.
Hi, baby.
Pinky.
I might be wrong. I think it's 4.
Hi, baby.
What you doing, big boy?
Pink, I need you to put your head up and look at me.
He's like, no, I'm eating my snack.
But I got it on black and white.
Look how dark it's wrapped. With the white in it.
Yeah. Okay, babies.
I cannot believe it. It makes me feel so good. Pink,
Wait,
look at me, babe.
Where you going, Pinky?
Pinky.
Drop some pretzels.
Hey, baby. Baby boy.
Aww.
Baby boy.
Hi, baby. Oh, look at you.
Oh, that was an amazing picture.
It was good seeing you, Pinky. Oh, yeah.